Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. The light is very bad. I'm in the bathtub, as you can see. I'm soaking and I'm raping, I'm landing. I was shocked about Linda. There's this lady who's a poet, Nomfusi. Allegedly, I saw that she was shot at her home. Not only where was she shot, that's shocking, but also in front, allegedly, in front of her kids. Now I ask myself, Guti, who would do this? Is it, I don't know who would do this. The only person that can come up, a Kandalam would be maybe if she has an ex or a jealous ex or whatever. And I'm asking myself, what is the purpose? For you, obviously, if you come in or you break into someone's home, and you have a gun, normally the one who's in the house is not prepared for that. And when you get inside the house and then you catch that person off guard, you tend to have the power, especially if you have the firearm with you. My question was, why couldn't that person just tell her to go to a private room or somewhere else? What happened is wrong. I'm not excusing just because I'm saying she was supposed to be asked this case to go willing in Dao or Ikumbo, whatever. No, it was wrong. But my question is, what was the purpose to do this in front of the kids? Why do this in front of the kids? Yes, you could be doing this and be like, no, I want to show her. The sad thing is that she's going to pass away. The kids are the ones who will be left with the trauma. What about the kids? And even if the purpose was you wanted to hurt the kids, now my question is, what have these kids done to you to an extent to which they've pushed you to a point where you want to do this in front of them? Yes, no matter how much you can not like your mom, you can have disagreements and whatever, no one wants to witness anything like that. Even with siblings, you can see with siblings, we are always fighting. But once I start seeing my sibling, my brother or sister being beaten up by somebody else, I can't just stand still. I go there, I fight. So even if no one wants to see their parent going like that. And there was also this other video where these guys, there was a service was going on, a church service was going on. These guys came in with guns, if I'm not mistaken, and they robbed the whole church. You ask yourself, if this is also even happening during services at churches, first got the Enron, Emmanuel, Nina Fanelin Sinkate Banch. First, make sure, because as where are we safe, where are we not safe? Even in Kuma funerals, we have to be watch out, because you can come the Kuma funerals, even a bedlam. Uthi when come next thing now you no longer come ususe ezulwini batshontsha konke bazotshontsha namapipe ama-drip namshini alles. Mina, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. The kids, you can imagine, why do it in front of the kids? I don't know. You tell me, what do you think about this? I'm speechless at this point. I'm speechless in 1000. So let me just